All right. So this is the practice run, and there's going to be some practice. Really, this is pretty much like talking to a class. I can do this. Pause, Macarena. Hi, today we're going to talk about the Common App, what it is and why you might use it. Right? You're not going to put all your eggs in one basket, guaranteeing that you're not going to assume. It's better not to pin all of your hopes on getting into the one perfect college, and it's better to have a couple, 2 or 3 in mind. Pause, Macarena. Okay, this is redoing the first one. Collecting some of the same information once. Son of a... Okay. Today, the part of Pinky will be played by me. Hi, people. It turns out, behind every successful video are many, many failed attempts. This is okay. Hi, today I want to talk more about the Common App